My country pipo, I throway salute for anywhere wey una for dey watch me from. I wan make una still catch am for where una for still dey watch me from. My name na Anthony, your regular presenter for First State Immigrant Solution. In case if una never subscribe, make una no forget make una take touch the subscribe button so that anytime wey I throway any video, una be the first person wey fit get alert for anything wey una take dey watch me from. Another jolly don still come again o. So government wey dey Bologna come talk say for the period of this COVID-19 wey dem take do lockdown for this February stroke March and April, say people come still dey house. Concerning house matter, a lot of people still get difficulties wey dem no fit pay house rent. Some people still fit pay, manage fit pay. At the end of the day, money come still finish. And government come talk say if you know say you dey Bologna territory and you get house wey you for pay house rent for that period, you get proof wey you take pay that house rent or wey the money take comot for your account. Na government come still talk say if you know say you still get proof say the money wey you first dey receive before coronavirus happen and the money wey you dey receive when during this coronavirus now, say e reduce pass the money wey you first dey receive. If you get that proof, you fit still apply for this contribution afito, na dem dey call am. So na there government come talk say for those people wey know say go fit apply for this contribution afito, either you get Ize wey you know say from 0 to 3,000, which one na those people wey get 0 to 3,000, dem no need to demonstrate say whether their pay slip increase or decrease, because those people don already live, they don already dey below government standard, so which is their economical background is still low well well. Those people no need to demonstrate anything at all. So government go give those people if they pay house rent for those months of March, April, May. Say na 3 months you go pay, na dem go still drop the money for the account. And those 3 months wey dem go pay, so e say no pass highest 1,500. So wetin be the requirement? If you know say you get Ize wey e dey from 0 to 35,000, you fit still apply. But those people wey get Ize wey reach up to 35,000 but dem still get proof wey talk say the pay slip wey dem first dey get before coronavirus happen, e dey higher than the pay slip wey dem dey get during that May, April and March. So if you know say e dey lesser than that, you fit still apply. So the requirement wey government put, Bologna government, so now I wan talk, so the requirement wey dem put so is say first thing you need to know when the thing wan start. The thing don already start right from on the 13th of October. They start am at 9 a.m. na dem take open the website for Bologna website, and then you fit see fill am till on the 30th of November na 12 p.m. in the afternoon, na the thing go end. So you still get now till 30th of November, make you still take fill the form if you know say you dey pay house rent. So the requirement, as I first talk, be say wetin be the requirement? They talk say first thing you need to do, you get speed. The speed will be those credentials wey I first drop for my previous video before, wey concern wetin dem dey do for either post office or if you see do am for Comune di Bologna, if you know say you get federal, because speed now na credentials wey you know say you fit do, so that anytime you wan do anything online, e dey secure. Anytime you wan do any document concerning Italy, so if you get speed, e go dey more easier to do. So speed na be the first thing wey they require from you if you wan apply. So you fit apply by yourself, either you go Bologna website, Comune di Bologna contribution afito, you see where they for dey apply for there, or if you go through Patronato, or if you go through people wey you know say e dey help immigrants or social assistance. So if you get any of this, dem fit still help you out. Then after you don get speed, another thing again wey you need to still get be say you need to get the movement wey you take dey pay this house rent to the owner of the house. So you need to go to your bank, go tell your bank make you print out the printout of when you take pay this money for the month of March, April and May. If you don't get this printout, you still put am for ground. They still need am. They need to get your resident, say you resident for Bologna, and they need to get your permit of stay or any other valid document wey you know say you still get. Then another thing wey they still talk say wey you still need to get be say you need to get IBAN. IBAN na be this account number wey they officially drop the money for your account if they don't accept your application. They still need that one too. The constitutor say they still need your pay slip wey Italo dey call booster paga. So that booster paga you have to get it from January to May. So the reason why they need from January to May be say they wan know whether difference dey when before coronavirus and during that coronavirus or during that lockdown. So if difference dey, government fit use that one still take accept you. So they still need to know whether you dey lay off, which they call casa integrazione. So if you get any of these things wey I don talk so, you are good to go. You fit apply for the contribution affitto. So after you don apply for the contribution affitto, so the money wey they say they wan pay for 3 months, which is March, April, May, they go drop am for the account number wey you give them or the IBAN. So every other thing wey you need to know, so e still dey the Comune di Bologna website. So na make me say a lot of people dey wey no still know say this kind thing still happen for Bologna. So if you know say your commune no dey Bologna, you never get any of these things, you fit still go ask them so that make dem still explain when they wan still take do their own. Some people don still do their own for every other commune for where they dey, but now na the time for Bologna own. So in case if you never subscribe to this my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime where I dey throw video like this wey government still dey assist people, una fit still be the first person wey go first get alert for anything wey una take dey watch me. So if una get any question related to this contribution affitto, all the requirements wey I don talk so far, so una fit still call me for my number 35101233025. So now there now for see the answer people concerning, or if you see drop comment for this video below. So if no say you never apply, time still dating November 30, and the thing wey you need to know wetin they need be say, so they need your booster paga from January to May. They need your speed, which is the credentials. They need IBAN. They need wetin you see to pay your house rent. Whether you dey pay your house rent with a transfer, you have to go and print it out so that they get proof say you pay house rent, the last house rent for the house where you dey. Make sure say they register the contract of that house, and that house must be the person wey rent that house, wey they rent the house give, wey in a day contract, na him be the person wey go fit apply for this contribution affitto. And you go still make sure say the house contract they still register am for Agenzia di Entrata. If you get any of this one where I don't talk, so you are good to go. You fit register am, you fit apply for the money, and if the money come, go be like your money, so that when you fit see use and see take assist your family. So now make me come drop the video. See you for my next video till we see again. Bye bye.